You are now watching World's Fastest Engine on Darkman TV.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Fastest Engine, episode 49. Today's competing engines are the Mystery Engine, Graffiti James, 80th Birthday Thomas, Victor, Dart, Luke, Splash Tank James, and Talking Diesel 2. Now, let's get started with the quarterfinals. Graffiti James versus the Mystery Engine. Welcome, Paint Splatter Thomas. Next up, 80th Birthday Thomas versus Victor. Dart versus Luke. Finishing up the quarterfinals with Splash Tank James versus Talking Diesel 2. Semi-final time with Graffiti James versus 80th Birthday Thomas. Finishing up the semi-finals with Luke versus Splash Tank James. Final round, 80th Birthday Thomas versus Luke. Luke is the winner.